Mbia mano sana omwanchi omulya bwegetaseni kia Ndizi TV chingaki ogendete kogokera emirobilimia imigetaseni kiga kone nigo charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabona maragobas ne yaliga ni bene gokoletera amangana Amayia hasenchira yobwenye hinyora chitariki charero ne chitariki bere mutinyi 11 mu mwaka bw'ekiribu bere 2022 TV News Digital nabega sensemeria YouTube nabagotanya gwetera Ndizi TV News hasense moya elinde twemanye ayagendete gokolekana kura chingongo chonsi inye Chinsi chinga kitoro che abarundi boda boda kuri county ya Kisii bamuganiriye kingoirana ningomanye amange Kolende egati abana boda boda kuraso mu Kibosongo nigo bamuganire guikerani kira kiri aliete anene mono ase okoeneki sector ya boda boda ngogendererere
na ro mogaba na twanyorire Kisii county mogaba no muyabori kyande ya Ikomi ando mwanjete anda ka to promise na ki aka to promise ngo jawo jare nga kire stage ya rusi bichana bibere igabi beke gali county ando to kumwagira chingo bitamoto murai ngwa jore ba muraba bere ko kabaira ali county unanje bona ndeke bogi gatingo nyara buno bosikali we county tingo nyara
ni gagendete guchanda abantu abagotu anene mono ase orogongo rwa Gusii gatia maruira yo no buriro bweskali oburire bwa pressure oburire bwa cancer naboigo oburire bw'emekine gatia maruire ande amange kolende ebyombe nigo bisokiri ebibire inseyeli abulirya Milestone Medical Center ase okolingolia abantu bonsi asa maruira
Toka makoras Crystal Lab pathology is free medical advice. We do free diabetic screening. We do free hypertension screening. And also because we run palliative
Congo neganiti obokonyi abwasabwa tokire abanyanyimbo gochikoenekia obotorerwa sensemelia
Republic of Congo, and no country in the world has been as neighbors. And its security is an obligation that we commit our best effort to achieve. The DRC has made encouraging steps to stabilize, create national capacity to provide security services, as well as guarantee opportunities burdened with serious challenges. And I believe that we owe a brotherly duty of solidarity to meet DRC halfway and stand together until the job is done.
Waziri o Public Service, Gender and Affirmative Action Aisha Jumwa nigo aumirana n'abakoli emirimo ase county ya Mombasa erinde gochaka omurubilyo bene sokorwa amayigere gochasa abakoli emirimo abagiya ase county yo okwa nanigo aine kibuna okomirana kwa eno mo director o KSG nigo kora chikoeneki obokoleri obya naboigo abakoli emirimo koigwa amayigere nigo kora chiko abosio obokoleri obya mboeneki
My visit here today was to officiate a program and induction course for 41 Huduma newly appointed staffs, and with me is my PS here and County Commissioner and the security team Mombasa and staff of KSG. Again, to familiarize myself with the staffs here, I have met the director, KSG Mombasa. We have had a discussion, and from here I'll be meeting also the staffs just to meet and greet. Yeah.